Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my DIY whipped shea butter for hair growth. This hair butter is very easy to make. Without wasting your time, let's start whipping this butter up. So the shea butter I'm using is raw unrefined shea butter. Now, to know raw unrefined shea butter, it has a nutty smell to it. It is ivory in color. It has not been bleached white to remove that nutty shea butter smell. So that should be your first shea butter of choice. It should be the raw unrefined one, which is what I'm using right now here. I'm going to be adding some oils to it. And the first oil I'm going to use is argan oil. I'm going to use a quarter cup of argan oil. Argan oil is very good for the hair. It's one of my favorite oils for the hair. So I incorporate it in my hair growth butter. The next is almond oil. I was supposed to use a quarter cup of almond oil, but I just realized I ran out of almond oil. That's my last almond oil in the house. I need to restock. Also added a quarter cup of olive oil. I'm also using about 2 teaspoons of emu oil. Emu oil is a very good oil for the hair and skin. We're just going to whip this all up. You can heat up your shea butter if it is cold and hard, but I don't need to do that. It is hot where I am. Just whipping it like this, all the oils are going to mix up properly. Now this thing is whipping and looks so much like ice cream. Now I'm adding some essential oils. I added 10 drops of tea tree essential oil, 5 drops of peppermint oil, I added 10 drops of lavender essential oil. I also added 5 drops of rosemary oil. I would have added more than 5 drops, but I ran out of rosemary oil too. I really need to restock of my stuff. Don't forget to scrape down. I'm just scraping to make sure everything mixes properly. There are some at the sides that have not mixed properly. That's why I'm scraping it to mix it properly. But I'm loving the consistency already. Shea butter is filled with vitamins A and E and essential fatty acids, which help to moisturize your hair. They also help to lock in the moisture in your hair. It reduces dryness and split ends. Now, putting the essential oils not only help to mask the smell of the shea butter. Shea butter has a nutty smell. If you don't mind the smell, then no problem, but still use the essential oils because they not only mask the nutty smell of the shea butter, they also add their own benefits to your hair butter. Shea butter has a little amount of SPF, which helps to protect your hair and your scalp from ultraviolet rays of the sun. It helps to soothe itchy, dry, irritated scalp. Shea butter helps to prevent hair loss and it also promotes hair growth. Guys, shea butter is quite affordable. It is something you can come across in your local market, especially if you live in Nigeria. It is a cost-effective way of taking care of your hair. Now, the amount of time you whip it will depend on your mixer. Just whip it until you get a light consistency. After whipping it, you store it in a container. You can see the texture. It looks like ice. Guys, it's so tempting. It looks like ice cream. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you how I use the hair butter on my hair. When you put your shea butter in containers, store it room temperature. If you put it in a place that is too hot, it's going to melt. And if you put it in a place that is too cold, it will get unnecessarily hard. You can see I can even use this on my skin. It just absorbs the shea butter, leaves my skin really moisturized. Guys, if you've watched up to this moment and you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that notification bell. Select the all options, turn on post notifications so that whenever videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. I'm applying a moisturizing leave-in treatment. This is after washing my hair. You can see I've sectioned my hair. Sectioning your hair makes it easier for you to work with your hair. It makes you reach every strand easily. So let me know, guys, in the comment section, do you make your own hair growth butter, or have you used shea butter before, or you've been sleeping on it? Let me know in the comment, guys. After using the moisturizing treatment, I'm using the hair butter to seal in the moisture. Shea butter not only seals in moisture, it also moisturizes your hair at the same time. It is something you shouldn't sleep on. If you've not been using shea butter on your hair, please incorporate it in your hair care regimen. Don't forget to share this video, guys. Share it with your friends and your family, anybody you know. Just share the video with them so that they can also benefit from shea butter. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.